Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I just finished recording this look, and if you would like to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. I did a glitter, it's like a pink glitter smoky eye with some glossy lips, and I decided to do a head wrap today, so go ahead and stay tuned. And I'm starting barefaced, and I'm going to be priming my face using this Versace Rose Gold Elixir. It actually looks like it has some tiny gold particles in there. It looks really good, and I just used that to prime my face. And it's a bit oily, but I just used a little bit because I do have oily skin. And I'm also going to be using the Melanie Mills Hollywood Gleambody Radiance, and I wanted a more dewy and glowy look, so I decided to use this under my foundation to give it more glow. And I'm just using a foundation brush to blend that out. And this is in the color Rose Gold. It is really pretty. This is actually my first time trying this, and I think it came out pretty good. Now I am just using my foundation, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the color 420. This is the Fenty Beauty Profilter Soft Matte Longwear foundation. Oh, it's a mouthful. Longwear foundation, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. I actually had to use 2 coats to cover all of the golden glittery look that I already had, so 1 coat didn't cover it enough, so I had to use 2 pumps to get the desired coverage. And I already did my eyebrows, guys. If you would like to see how I achieved this eyebrows, I will leave a link down below, and you can click on that when you're done watching this video, and then you can see how I snatched these brows. Okay, and now I am going to go ahead and prime my lids, and I like to use my concealer to prime my lid, and I am using the MAC Studio Finish concealer, and I use a brighter color to prime my lid, and I am using the color NC50, and then I'm just going to set that with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to prevent any creasing. And now I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette from my eyeshadow, and I'm using that yellowish orangey color, and I'm going to use that as my transition color, and then I'm going to use the orange color a little higher above the crease. And then I'm going to use this burgundy color right on my crease, and I'm using a more defined brush, and then I'm going to go back and use a fluffier brush to blend that out using the windshield wipes motion. And I'm just blending that out, going a little below my crease as well. And now I'm going to be using this burgundy shade, and I'm going to put that all over my lid because I want to give it a burgundy base before I put the glitter on top. Now I'm going to be using this NYX glitter primer, and it's a NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And now I am going to be using this NYX glitter, and this is the Gold Copper Ruby. And I'm going to put that on top of the glitter glue, and the glitter glue will help the glitter stick right on the lid without having any fallout. And I'm just putting that halfway, just half of my lid, and then I'm going to use this dark burgundy color on the outer V of my lid. do that for both eyes. And now I'm going to be using this black color. This is actually black, but it looks like it's blue on camera. I don't know why, but I'm going to use that black shade. I'm going to put it right at the outer edge just to darken it a little bit. And then I'm going to use the same brush that I used for my crease to blend out the edges, just to take out the harsh lines. And now for my wing line, I am going to be using the Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner, and this is in color number 1. And I'm going to use that to draw a wing line using my Sigma wing liner in the number E06. And I'm going to make my wing line a bit longer today. I'm trying to go for a little bit dramatic, but not too dramatic. But we're definitely going to wing it today. And now I am going to line my waterline, and I'm using my MAC Smolder, and this is a very dark eyeliner, and that's why I love to use it. You don't need too much of it to get that dark look. And now I'm wearing my lashes. I'm wearing the Arison lashes. And now it's time to highlight. I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to use that to highlight all the high points of my face, my cheeks, my forehead, my nose. You know the drill. Just highlight everything that needs to be highlighted. Doing a little dance there. And now I am going to blend, and I decided to try this beauty blender by Fenty, and this one it's pretty unique. It has a cut tip, so it makes it really easy to get underneath the eyes, and you can really get in there and blend that, and I really like that about it. And it's a pretty nice beauty blender. So I damped it with my setting spray, and I just used that to blend the concealer in. Now I'm just using the same Fenty Beauty foundation brush that I used earlier. I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of the concealer. And now I am going to contour, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and this is an espresso. I'm going to use that to contour my face. I'm contouring my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and my nose. And now I'm going to blend that out, and I am using the BS Small Face Tapered Brush to blend that out. And I'm going to use a smaller brush to blend out the contour on my nose. And now I'm going to set all the highlighted areas, and I'm using this L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to place that in all the areas that I highlighted. And I'm just going to bake for a few minutes, and normally don't bake for a very long time, just a few minutes, and then I'm going to dust that off. And I'm just dusting using this face powder brush from Sephora. And now I am going to set the contour, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer, and this is in mahogany. And I'm going to use that to set the contour. So we're setting the highlights, setting the contour, setting the entire face. Trying to get that face snatched. And now we're going to use a blush, and I'm using this blush by NARS, and this is the Matter Harry blush, and it's a nice pink, bright pink shade, and I just use a little bit goes a long way. I just used a little bit on the apples of my cheeks there to give my face a bit more color. And now I am just doing my setting spray, my 3-in-1 setting spray, and I am going to give that a few seconds to dry. And now for my favorite part, my highlighter. I am going to be highlighting with my favorite highlighter so far. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. And I am going to highlight my cheekbone, my nose, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. I'm sure you all know I love to highlight. Ooh, I love that glow. Alright, time for my lips. I am going to be lining my lips using this lip liner by MAC, and this is in Chestnut. And I am just going to outline my lips and kind of blend that together. And I'm going to be using 2 lipstick shades today, and this is both of them are the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. And one is in the color number 2, and then the other one is in the color number 16. And I just mix those 2 together. And we are going to be using some gloss today. I don't use gloss often, but I'm starting to like gloss a lot recently. And I decided to gloss this lips up today, and we are using the Kiko Milano 3D Hydra lip gloss, and this is in the color number 1. I'm just going to put that all over my lip. And that is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. I decided to do a head wrap today. I got this head wrap from Katana's website. I love this head wrap. It was so easy to wrap. Definitely visit her site if you're interested in this head wrap. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I'm glittering all over the place today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click the notification button so every time I post a video you will be notified and you will not miss out on any of my videos, because I will definitely be posting a lot of good content coming soon for you guys. So definitely subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye.